Hi, my name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to turn off that annoying feature, which is the autoplay. When you step in your car and you change the Bluetooth or the media option in your car, your music starts playing. Now, besides the auto stop and start feature, that's one of the most annoying things they can put in Mercedes without a on and off button. I'm going to show you how to get around it. Sorry for you iPhone folks, but I have an Android, so I'm going to see if we can bypass it. I'm going to change camera view and we'll show you what needs to be done to prevent that car from playing the music. Right now I'm going to turn on the car. I'm going to change the camera view, turn on the car, switch to media, and we'll just wait for the music to start playing, and then we'll see if we can get it off the next time we step into the car and switch to media, because basically what I like is peace and quiet and harmony. And if I'm switching it to the media, I'm switching it for a particular reason, not necessarily to play music, but maybe do some other stuff. So let's go. All right, right now I'm going to turn on the car. And it's going to go to the radio. And after the radio comes up, we're going to switch it to media. Give it another minute or two. And we're going to watch and see what happens. All right. That is the auto playing when you switch it automatically to media. And sometimes we don't want that. Sometimes we don't want the music to auto play. But I can remember plenty of times where I'm warming up the car and my cell phone is in the vicinity and the music is start playing. That's one of the most annoying things that Mercedes can put, that besides the auto start and stop feature, putting that in the car without an on and off switch to basically disable it or turn it off. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change the camera view again. And this time I'm going to go into the camera that I have. I have an Android device. Samsung Galaxy, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to do to actually turn off that auto music playing, and then we'll test it again. So here we go. All right, so right now I'm on a different phone. This is a newer, this is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The same scenario that we want to mute the sound when we go into the car and when we switch the button to media. So I'm gonna go into the settings. We're gonna scroll down to where it said modes and routine. And since I already created the routine, now on the bottom you have mode, routine, and discover. We're gonna go into routine. I already created a menu there for Bluetooth device muted. We're gonna go into that. We're gonna go into edit. And at the top, you're gonna notice I gave it a name, a custom name, Bluetooth device muted. And you're gonna have two things, F at the top and then at the bottom. So the F, I put two things. Media is being played. We're gonna go into that, and I pick my media player. My media player is actually on this phone. It looks just like that. That's where I download all my music from iTunes. So we're gonna select that, and we're also gonna select Android Auto automatically connected. Although in the car we did turn it off, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, the car overwrites the stuff you have in the phone. So in the phone you can actually go in and tell it to do a few things. Now notice on the bottom, the then. You go into the then, and you can basically select sound, mode, and volume. You can actually mute it. You can hit cancel, and you basically want to save that. So if I go back out, these are the different things you have when you're creating modes and routine on your phone. And as you can see, I already created a few of them. Unlock with your fingerprint and some other stuff. So it's pretty nice. So I'm not going to go into the others because that's not the goal of this video. The goal of this video is to, when you go into the car and you select media, you want it to be quiet because you want to do other things. All right, so this is basically it. One thing that I want you to know, Mercedes had acknowledged that there is no way to turn off the autoplay. Even if you go into the car setting, let's see if we can find it. Playback control. There's nothing here. Media source, sound, there's nothing here. Go down to option, there's nothing here. Let's see if we can go down to system, go down to audio, go into phone, nothing there. Nothing here. There's absolutely nothing that'll be able to. Let's go into Bluetooth device. And let's go up to, let's go to this one. So basically nothing on the system. Connectivity, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Come out. Go to vehicle. Nothing here. Come out, go to connect. Android Autoplay, equalizer, automatic volume, surround sound, sound focus, other sound setting, we'll go into that. Navigation, nothing. Balance and fader, nothing here. Equalizer, nothing there. Come back out. Come out again. There's Apple CarPlay, but Apple CarPlay probably do the exact same. So no feature in here to turn the autoplay on and off. Very nice. All right, so I'm back in the car. We're gonna do a different phone. This is a Samsung S25 Ultra Galaxy. Let's go ahead, turn on the car. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch the media, switch from radio to media and see if it plays. If it's already on media, then that's fine. And of course, it's already on media. And let's see if it plays any music. Bluetooth audio stopped, which is what we want. This is the theme, or this is the original goal that I wanted to. Now, one thing I do have to say, you do need to experiment to get the desired output that you want. And I'm gonna go into the settings for this phone, onto the modes and the routine, and see what we had to do to set it up to keep the music quiet from automatically playing. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go into the phone menu system, and I'm gonna show you what I did for that.